Hello everyone, I am Pratiwi Dwi Cahyanti. I am a psychology student at Psychology Faculty of Merdeka University Malang. Today, I will show you how to make vegan chicken katsu. But before that, let's see this video.
Nowadays, we all know that there are more and more people are starting to become vegetarians. According to the Indonesian Vegetarian Society in 2007, they have registered 60,000 vegetarian members in Indonesia, and in 2010, they have reached 500,000 members. Of course, this is a good opportunity to start a vegetarian-based culinary business. Chicken katsu is one of the food that is easy to find anywhere, even in a small town in Indonesia. But unfortunately, there are not many restaurants serve this menu in vegetarian-friendly version. Therefore, I choose to make this menu in vegan version. So, let's start cooking. First thing first, you need all the ingredients like garlic, onions, salt, sugar, pepper, mushroom broth, vegan oyster sauce that made out of mushroom as well, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tofu as an egg replacer, and the main ingredient is vegan chicken that is made out of soybean flour. Put all the ingredients in a bowl and blend it all the way until it's smooth. Then put it in a cooking mold and steam for about 25 up to 30 minutes. Once it's cooked, cut into 2 parts and dip in wet flour. Then coat it with breadcrumbs and fry it until it's turned into golden brown. For a better experience, you can serve it with rice and salads, and voila! Vegan chicken katsu is ready to be enjoyed.
So, what do you think about it? Are you interested to cook this menu? This vegan chicken has a similar texture to the real one. In 100 grams of this vegan chicken contain about 64 grams of protein. It's great, isn't it? So what are you waiting for? Happy cooking, everyone!